hiking with Madam Anyati in the dark. Madam, your phone, your hand,
Yes, you need to.
your phone,
You
and
need
then
to check everything.
your hand. In what was side to Gunjay. And this is the first wasai. Look at that. And the first wasai is there. Here is time lapse as well. Somehow it's not working so well. But we will do you, Gumball. We will discover you. And we will master you. And we will do the course as well for others to learn. Let's go. Ang ganda dito. Opa. Look how beautiful this place is. It's all beautiful trees as well. I love jungle in Brunei. I love the jungle in Brunei. That's that. Drone captured. Tayo girl, oh. Kiluwar. So, exit na.
And then turn it off.
Go po. Oh. Almost there. Okay, with our first wasai here in the dark. Mm. Small loop lang. Stabilizer. Our choice for today. May 21st, 2023. And now we're back. So we just did a small loop here in the dark. Teki-teki.
Well, it stabilizes somehow.
They have their own timer. Just like that, we finished. Just a quick one today. Please come again. A lot of trail. This is Dada.